bunch of wild flutterings in the air. All these little tiny yellow butterflies, about a third to a quarter to a third the size of a monarch. When a grasshopper, kind of a crudely brutal looking little butterfly like wings, but no monarch. There's one of the tiny yellow ones. It's too tiny to pick up in our video here. Monarchs. A butterfly named Juliet, but no butterfly Romeo. A butterfly named Juliet, my last monarch. I saw one monarch down in Star Lake, one Adirondack monarch this summer. One monarch at Green Pond, northwestern edge of mountains. A butterfly named Juliet, but no monarch Romeo. One single monarch traveling alone. Both of the two I saw this summer. Oh, hey,